Wow. You can see the difference here, the front was gone. This is why I choose the DHI. Ahmed Al Mohammadi, Premier League footballer, played for Aston Villa. Came here in January and did my hair here. When you lose some of your hair, you're just wearing cap all the time. I have friends came here before and did their hair, and it looks fantastic. That's why I came here, and everyone here is being fantastic with me, all professional. Before it used to be a mess, sometimes you have to do a lot of things to get your hair right. Now I don't wear caps at all. It's easy now with the haircuts and everything, you can do different haircuts. I'm excited for that second time to do my crown. The main thing is just it looks natural. I'm happy with it.
And how does your wife feel about your new?
Yeah, absolutely. She loved it. Sometimes she bring old picture and just like show me the difference, and you see now you look a different man now. So yeah, she's so happy with it. I made the best decision.